Hey guys, today's an exciting day. Not just for me, but for Ozzy. Because we're at a pool party for dogs. And look at all the dogs here. Let's see if he makes some new friends or not. I don't even know if he likes water. So let's see. And make sure to like and subscribe down below if you think he's also going to make friends. Let's go. Let's go see. Come on. Maybe bring him to the pool.
Want to go to the pool? You think that's a good idea?
Yeah. He might just jump in, because when we're usually at lakes, he just runs in for no reason. How are we going to get the ball? How are you going to get his ball back?
You gotta tell him to get it.
Oz, come on. Come here. Come. Come. Hey, little guy. Come on, Oz. Go. Okay. Oh, look. Somebody took the ball. It's still there. Oh. Look, he's scared. Yay. Ready? Let's go. Go. He's not scared. I got wet. Ozzy, come on. You know how to swim. That dog's smart. Ozzy! Hey, that's not for free. Go get it. Come on. Get it, Oz. I'll get that ball. Keep him in. You having fun, Sam? Oz. Good? Right here. Let me have it. Go. Okay, I guess I'll just have to find another ball. You won't let go. Let's see. Oh, Britt.
guys. Come play with the baby. Come play with the baby. Come on, come play with the baby.
If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe down below. You thirsty?